Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Shane. Today we'll be having a look at Proton. We'll be going through an ecosystem update, and we'll also have a look at the Proton crypto price. The coin price right now is extremely cheap. I mean, seriously. Needless to say, it's one of the few that are out there that are incredibly undervalued. But in this video, I'll explain to you just how much it's undervalued, why it's undervalued, that it's actually got an active ecosystem, that it's something that you might actually want to do some research in. Now, before we continue, allow me to declare this video is not financial advice, it's strictly for educational purposes. Now, what exactly is Proton? That's the first thing. Then we can go to some of the ecosystem updates. Now, Proton is a public blockchain that's designed for consumer applications and seamless P2P payments. Fiat and off-ramp and lack of KYC have been significant obstacles in opting in crypto as a day-to-day payment system. Now, Proton tackles this problem by integrating a secure identity layer. So this is where it gets quite unique in the realms of Proton. What they're doing is quite different from many other blockchains out there. They've got this thing that's called verified identities. Proton wallet users can opt into verifying, providing KYC information, create an ID, get a verified checkmark, and unlock new features of Proton Blockchain. So rather than using ridiculous long address, you can move funds, fiat or crypto, between your bank account and your Proton wallet to push payment requests to another person. Proton's decentralized ID will allow users to choose when and what part of identities to reveal. Now, as for the blockchain itself, it gets even more fascinating with the Proton blockchain. Now, Proton is a result of a joint effort of two projects, a cash and crypto payment app with more than 1,000 users and links, an EOS wallet. Proton blockchain has been integrated with the two apps since day one. Proton uses the EOS DPoS governance model, which allows Proton token stakers to select block producers. Proton can process up to 4,000 transactions per second, and it does not charge gas fee to its users. Now, as for context, these are some of the list of Proton competitors. Now, Proton's main proposition is about frictionless crypto payments with decentralized KYC at its core. Proton will need to keep a keen eye on legacy fintech payment systems such as Venmo and PayPal, how they match in the crypto space. As Proton looks to expand its DeFi offering, the team will see competitors against other Layer 1 blockchain projects that promise low gas fees such as Telos, Avalanche, Solana, Cardano, and much more. The funny thing is I've actually never heard of Telos, or maybe I did and I can't remember, but I'm going to check it out. So ladies and gents, that is Proton in a GIF. Now, some of the latest updates, that's what we've got to go through today. Let's start with Nifty Blocks. This is part of the monthly update for June. So Proton is introducing the second project for the month of June campaign, Proton June, Better Blockchain. The goal is to introduce the incredibly talented developers behind the projects you now know and love. As part of the campaign, they'll publish the Meet the Builders interview alongside their giveaway, so you can find out more about their projects, the inspiration behind their vision, and what's next for them and why they chose Proton. Nifty Blocks is an end-to-end NFT platform to create, drop, and trade NFTs. How fascinating is that? So let's check out Nifty Blocks. So this, ladies and gents, is a quick look at Nifty Blocks. This is the website, a place where you can create NFTs, you can sell NFTs, and I guess you can buy NFTs. That's pretty damn fascinating. You know, we live in a new world where there are so many different NFT sites. You've got the ones that are popular and you've got the ones that are not so popular. Nifty Blocks is one of the ones that are not so popular, but there's still a whole lot of success. This bid, for instance, has over $18,000 on this bid. So I do like the direction Proton is going in. Now the next one is Soon.market. This is another marketplace, and we'll get to find out about this one now. Now it's a non-custodial NFT marketplace with a special focus on NFT auctions. Its awesome user experience makes exploring auctions and sales with different payment methods simple. Now as for the utility NFTs, that allows anyone to promote any auctions on the front page of the market. That's fascinating. And ladies and gents, for reference, this is what it looks like. So Proton is actually doing a lot of investing, a lot of partnerships with NFTs. So just like everyone else, Proton sees a lot of potential in the future of NFTs. That's for damn sure. Now onto our price analysis. Now Proton has not been doing well. It hasn't. But to be honest, the entire market isn't doing well. Every crypto is doing bad right now. Nothing is doing good. In fact, I think Bitcoin is less than 20 grand per coin, and people are not even excited. But whenever Bitcoin is like, I don't know, 60 grand, 70 grand, people are excited when it's more expensive. I've never seen this in my life. It's like going to the gas station. When the petrol is more expensive, you get more excited. It's ridiculous. And I brought up that reference because I know petrol is extremely expensive right now, and everyone is having a horrible time with that crap. But listen, Proton has been as high as 0.046 cents. That's just a little bit above 4 cents per coin. Right now, it's a fraction of that. It's 0.002 cents. It's a fraction. One of my earlier videos on Proton was if Proton could 100x in the near future. Hell yes, it could. With this low price, hell yes, it could. The problem is it's got an insane amount of supply in tokens. 13.5 billion in circulating supply of tokens. That's absolutely insanity. But for the near future in Proton, it can definitely 5x within the next bull run. Given the market cap, it's only 34 million in market cap. It can definitely 5x within the next bull run. But we just don't know when the next bull run is. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like and leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video.